My name is Dean Paul Deniston, and today we'll be assembling our Razer PowerWing DLX. This is a very easy process. It should take you approximately 10 minutes from start to finish. This can be completed in 2 easy steps. Step 1, attaching the foot platforms. And step 2, attaching the handlebars. You will need the following tools, which are included: a 5mm Allen wrench, and another 5mm Allen wrench. Now let's open this box and see what's inside. The first thing we pull out is the body along with the handlebar. And next, our right foot platform, followed by our left foot platform. And lastly, our instruction manual and the supplied tools. Now let's get started by making some space and getting rid of this box. Unwrap everything. Now that it's unwrapped, let's get started on step 1, attaching our foot platforms. Take your 2 5mm Allen wrenches and remove the bolts in the back of the frame. Take 1 wrench on each side and loosen. We're going to line up the holes in the foot platforms with the frame, and then slide our bolt through the platforms and mount them to each other. The bolts come in 2 pieces, one with the threads on the inside and one with the threads on the outside. These slide through both platforms and then screw together. Insert the bolt with the threads on the inside through the holes. Line up the holes in the other foot platform. And take the bolt with the threads on the outside and mount the 2 bolts together. Now take your 2 5mm Allen wrenches and tighten those bolts down. Now that the bolts are tight, that concludes step 1, attaching our foot platforms. And now on to step 2, attaching our handlebar. Take your handlebar, insert it into the hole in the frame. Now loosen the knob on the front of the handlebar, flip the lever down, and tilt the handlebar back. Now we can get to the bolt that tightens the handlebar to the frame. Insert your 5mm Allen wrench, and tighten that bolt. Once it starts to get snug, line up your handlebar with the wheel, make sure they're both straight. And now tighten the bolt down all the way. The bolt's tight, now tilt the handlebar back up, flip the lever back up, and tighten the knob down. That concludes step 2, attaching our handlebar. Now our Razer PowerWing DLX is fully assembled, so take it outside and try it out. I hope you enjoyed our video and found it helpful and informative, but if you are still having any troubles or complications, please feel free to visit the customer support section on Razer.com. Bye bye, little fly.